Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I was going to try to share with you guys this unboxing, but this thing is so gigantic, I'm not going to be able to do that. So y'all just give me a minute. Okay, we're back. So I picked up on another Amazon, I guess this was a pre-Black Friday deal, and I love a Willow. I have like 3 Willows now. They're all pre-loved. This will be my first brand new one. And this one says that it is a soft Willow, so I don't know what is the difference. We'll see if there is a difference. So this is a little bit bigger than I thought, and I like it. So let's take a look at it before I unstuff it. Let's see. Isn't she cute? So I think I went ahead and picked up the little city tote before I picked up this one. I probably should have skipped the little city tote because this is doing the same thing. But then again, I like that strap on the little city tote so much. I don't know. So here we go. Let's take this out. Oh, this is so nice. So we got suede on the inside here. It's so nice. I don't remember what I paid for this, but I want to say it was a little over $200, like $220 or something like that. But I think I got a good deal. All right. So we got a dust bag. Let's see. I'm looking for the sensor. And so you know what? I said that the other one was the mini city tote. It was accented with gold, and I was like, silver just wouldn't look right. But I'm gonna take that back because this silver does look really good with this. So this is, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing, but this one has gold, and then this one has silver, and it is gorgeous. Uh-oh, we got a scratch here. Can y'all see that? There's a scratch there already. I wonder if this wasn't a return. Shoot. I'm thinking about whether or not I'm gonna complain. So we got the Coach. Oh, my hand is all in the way. The Coach Brandon right there. Let's see when this one was born. So we got A of 25. So this was in January. I guess I wasn't paying attention to drops then. This is really cute. Okay, so it looks like we got 2 straps here. It's silver hardware, because I was thinking, I wonder if I can interchange the straps from this one, but see, this one has gold. I mean, it probably wouldn't make that big of a difference, but it would be different. Okay, so taking a look at the strap here. All right, and then we got our tag. It's a nice size tag. All right, give me just a second. Okay, guys, so I have it buckled like it's supposed to be, and I do remember that it was like, it looks like that it's supposed to kind of, you know, when they call it frowning at the top and stuff. So I guess if you have more stuff in it, it'll kind of sit out more. But this is the way it's supposed to look, I believe. And so you got just a regular shoulder strap, and then you got a crossbody strap. I would probably use the shoulder strap. And then this back here is just a magnet, and it's pretty good. It finds itself pretty easily. And then you got that middle compartment, and then you got the turn lock in the front. But if you don't use those, this is what it would look like. It's cute, but I would want the turn lock at least in the front. And then if you had, you know, more stuff in it, it would fill out a little bit better. But yeah, so that is the soft Willow. I guess empty, it doesn't collapse in the way that it should. So there it is. So y'all tell me what you think, and I am going to decide whether or not I am going to complain about that. That's, you know, I do a lot of, okay, that's fine, but I don't know about that one. I might have to send this one back. or at least get in touch with customer service about this. But anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Let's see. We did that one. This was not in this video, but let's see. Was that it? Okay. I think so. All right. So that is what I had to share with you guys today. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.